Welcome to SmartyBits Quiz, about birds. Which bird is the fastest flyer? Seagull, sparrow, falcon or dove? Falcon. Which bird often stands on one leg? Owl, crow, hawk or flamingo? Flamingo. Which bird can sleep while flying? Common swift, magpie, pigeon or eagle? Common swift. Which bird lays the smallest eggs? Chicken, bee, hummingbird, duck or ostrich? Bee, hummingbird. Which bird cannot fly? Kiwi, robin, swallow or falcon? Kiwi. Most common bird species in world is eagle, parrot, chicken or swan? Chicken. Which bird has the largest eyes? Eagle, owl, ostrich or hawk? Ostrich. What bird hovers in one place? Falcon, duck, hummingbird or crow? Hummingbird. What bird mimics our human voice? Owl, parrot, seagull or ostrich? Parrot. About how many world bird breeds? 6,000, 11,000, 15,000 or 20,000? 11,000. Well done. Please share, like, and subscribe to SmartyBits BMC on YouTube.